It's October, guys. It is finally fall and I am super excited. I have my little fall decorations going around the house. I still have a few things that I want to do, but this video is to let you guys know that I am attempting to do Vlogtober this year. If you guys are new to YouTube or you just don't follow it too much, Vlogtober is when a channel decides to post videos every day in the month of October. Now, I am not gonna lie to you guys and pretend like I'm gonna be able to post every single day in October. I am struggling right now to get one video up per week for you guys. However, I really am gonna try to do 5 days a week video for you guys. So we're gonna try to do weekday videos, give me the weekends off to edit and to get some new content out there for you guys. So this is gonna be your intro video of what to expect for the entire month of October. So if you're new to my channel, I am a homeschooling mom I have 3 children, I homeschool 2, and we've been doing this for 10 years now. So you're always gonna be getting tips in this video to help you on your homeschooling journey. You're also gonna be getting day in the life videos of homeschooling, but because it's fall, there will always be a fall twist for the months of October and probably for November as well. So in those day in the life videos, you guys get to see how we are implementing homeschool into our lifestyle, and I give different tips throughout each video that might be something that you guys would like to try. And sometimes I just open up and I'm honest about the struggles that I deal with to relate to, so that we can relate to each other. I hope to give you guys hands-on ideas to make learning more fun, to bring some fall, the beautiful season into your homeschooling. You know, for me, I love having things to look forward to, and I love giving my kids things to look forward to. And from October all the way through December, we have all of these beautiful holidays. And then when December's over, it's like, what else? What other themes can we do? So that's why it's so important for me to really make the seasons, the months from October all the way through December, as memorable for my kids as possible. So I'm going to give you guys some of the ideas of things that we do over the years and show you some hands-on activities that you can do to make your homeschooling more hands-on, interactive, and fun for you and your kids. I'm also going to be sharing with you any fall books or read out louds or books that my kids are going to be reading over the fall, any projects, any nature studies. We're sometimes going to be doing some fall activities at fall festivals. That'll give you a little bit a deeper look if you're interested into us as a family on the side without the homeschooling, and just a little bit of fun sprinkled in there with those types of videos. I really just want to capture the magic of the season and share it with you guys, so you guys can capture the magic for your own children and just learn to slow down this season and enjoy our children being children, spending quality time with them, engaging with them, and just having fun and really enjoying them. Be on the lookout for multiple videos every week in the month of October. And I could use the encouragement, guys, if you see a video that you are enjoying, I would love for you to leave a comment in the video below. That will motivate me to continue on the next day to make more videos for you guys. And if you have anything you'd like to see, always feel free to leave it in the comments. You also make sure to follow me on Instagram at Vani_Mrs_Mom, and on my Facebook group at Facebook under VIG787. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.